And Shaq, you made an interesting observation earlier in the night about teams who may be on the lookout for favorable matchups in the postseason.
Yeah, I was wondering if it's Golden State. Right now they're at 6. First round they will play the Clippers. Will you try to move up to 5 and face Houston in the first round, or do you stay where you're at?
I mean, usually you try to move up, right?
You try to move up, but
You think there's something they don't want to face the Clippers in particular, is what you're saying?
No, Rick and I played for a guy that was he was always.
Del Harris?
Phil Jackson was always
the guy who runs the Knicks.
Yes,
that guy.
Phil Jackson would always look for favorable matchups with us. So, we were going good throughout the year. One, he would tell us to stay at 1 so we can get home court advantage. But the years we didn't have home court advantage, he would just, Rick, take a game off, or Shaq, take a game off. And we always try to, and I'm going to go on record and say, we always tried to avoid Utah and San Antonio in the first round.
In the first round in particular?
Yeah, the first round in particular. So, I was wondering, do they rather play the Clippers in the first round or the Rockets? What you think?
They have a healthy rivalry with the Clippers this past year. Both similar styles, both Houston and Clippers get up and down. If I was Golden State, considering the style that Houston plays, they're not as deep in terms of
and without Beverly to hound Curry.
Yeah, DeAndre Jordan, the health of Dwight Howard could come into play in that equation. I'd rather move up and play Houston.
Yeah, because Houston's the team not proven. Where the Clippers now have been there a few times now, and Chris Paul's playing lights out. Blake Griffin's game's going to another level, and now bringing in Big Baby, Turkoglu, their bench is deeper. So I wouldn't want to play the Clippers first round.